Hi guys, today I'm back with another earring mold. This one is a holographic one. So I've mixed up some epoxy resin and I've added a black ultrafine glitter to the mix because I think that holographic pattern will just show up really nicely on the black. So all I'm going to do is fill up these molds and let them cure. I will let them sit for a few minutes and I will pop any bubbles that appear with my heat tool and I'll let them cure for 24 hours before we unmold. Okay, it has been 24 hours. Time to unmold these beautiful holographic earrings. Wow, look at that pattern. That is spectacular. Well, let me put a jump ring and a hook on and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys, a finished product. And aren't they spectacular? So like I said, I've just added a jump ring and a hook and they're ready to wear. That black in the holographic pattern is so pretty. Well, if you're looking for some nice holographic earrings, give this mold a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.